What's good, YouTube? It's your boy NIGELUNOTV, and today I'm bringing y'all a new video. And if y'all don't know, I told y'all I was gonna do dreadlock videos. It was coming soon, and now we're here. And today we on Lil Durk dreads. We're gonna see how he went from the low cut to the dreads. You know, the Locs. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and we gonna go and get into the video. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all, man. My boy Durk right here, he got the low cut, nothing too major, nothing too crazy. He don't got no tape or nothing like that, or no temp. You know, it's just like an all-around cut. He got the waves going, you know, he brushing his shit. You know, I ain't gonna fake though. Most niggas I know I used to go to school with, they'll be brushing they shit 24/7. They brush they shit when they shit, piss, they brush their hair when they eat. Hey man, it's just too tedious, bro, for me, because like it takes too much maintenance, way more maintenance than women have. But yeah, he ain't lying. So hey y'all, check this out. My boy Durk, he done graduated from the low cut, the chili bowl with the waves. You know, my boy was rocking that cut that your mama made you get back in the day when she was picking out your haircuts and you had to go to school with that skint ass head. You know what I'm saying? Niggas smacking your shit, skinning your shit. You know what I'm saying? So you know, I'm peeping gang. You know, he got his starter locks and stuff. Like he started it from cone coils or either cone coils or twisting gel. You know, it's well maintained. And also, when your dreads are in this stage right here, like, try not to wash it immediately, like right after you get it done, because you'll, you know, wash the, you know, the locks out and they'll be untwisted. So yeah, keep that in mind. Sorry y'all, check this out, peak game. So right here, my boy, like, he look like he about 2 to 3 months in on his starter locks. You know, you see his little worms done grew type shit. It ain't nothing too major. You know, he got a little lint. It ain't hanging or nothing like that. So you know, that's just indicating he's still in the beginning stages. You see it, like the locks trying to mature a little bit. You know, they getting a little thicker, budding. And peep his parts. I don't know if y'all noticed, but his parts look like they kind of circular, like. So yeah, like if y'all didn't know, your locks don't have to be parted a certain way. You can always pick. You got diamond parts, you got box parts, and you got circular parts. So just keep that in mind. All right, y'all. My boy done made progress. He done graduated from the nuds, the earthworms, the damn Tweedledees. Alright, so peak gang. My nigga shit done started hanging now, like real talk. When you like, I'm gonna put it like this. When your dreads start hanging like on some real shit, like you just feel like you the man, bro. You just feel like you go. You see this nigga face? It's all smiles, strictly happiness. Like he just happy he graduated from the ugly stage, you know. His shit starting, you know, it's maturing, it's starting to lock, was locked up already, but you know, like his shit just fire, bro. It just, he happy he got that hang time. Sorry y'all, my boy dreads done fully matured. He done hit about a year with these locks, man. He done bleached this shit. It like ain't gonna fake, it's hard. But one thing I need to know about bleach when it comes to y'all dreadlocks and stuff like that, it damages your hair. Like, it really damages your hair, like weakens it a little bit. So what I advise is, like, when you bleach your stuff, try to go in with some products, do your research on products on how to maintain dyed and bleach hair, just to keep the hair healthy and moisturized so it don't dry out. Sorry y'all, peak game. Durk rocking one of my favorite go-to styles when your dreads hit by like the 2-year mark, and it's just like, it's fire, bro. When you finally able to put your shit in a ponytail, you just feel like you done made it, bro. You done made it, like real talk. Like, peep how you got the dreads hanging in the front and the ponytail in the back. Like, it's just hard to me. That's like hands down one of my favorite go-to styles, bro. Especially on a hot summer day or some shit like that. Like, you just need to get the rest of your dreads off your neck, bro. I'm telling you, it's hard. And just look how neat he got his shit. Just peep it, bro. When you keep your hair neat like that, it's bound to catch people eye. They gonna take notice. They gonna, you know, touch your hair, rub. And women gonna love that stuff. Women love niggas with neat hair when they take care of it. So when they do be trying to touch like anybody, you just be like, nah, bro, get back if I hit you with these knuckle dusters, like real talk.
Come here. Shut your stupid ass up.
So alright, check it out, y'all. My nigga Durk, he got the braid out. and he don't bleach a good amount of his dreads, but almost as if he's rocking the King Von style. And whether y'all know it or not, that King Von style of dye in your hair or bleach, whatever you want to call it, is hard, bro. I plan on getting it when my dreads get there to a certain extent. My dreads ain't nothing but like 3 months in, finna be on 4 months in 2 more days. And I'm telling you, when I get there, bro, it's over with, bro. But like, just peep it. He got the braid out, like the little plait, whatever you want to call it. He got the plaits, the braids, 2-strand twists, and little do y'all know, when you take them out, it gives you that crinkly look, and it's just so appealing to the eye. Like, once again, women love it, bro. I say try it out, and you know, give it a shot. See how your dreads look when they curly, bro. Just go ahead and go for it. So check this out. Durk back again with the braid out, bro. But this time it's with a twist. This nigga got blonde hair. My nigga said, forget what y'all talking about. He going Super Saiyan. Ah! Now let me stop.
Stop it. Get some help.
But you know, like, he was just going crazy with it, bro. Like that ombre look with his dreads, bro. He about 3-4 years in on his locs, bro. Well maintained, got the neat look, bro. My boy bagging all the women. You know what I'm saying? He famous, of course. He gonna do that, but you know, his shit is hard. It's hard, bro. And also, whether y'all know it or not, when you get it braided like that a lot, it actually helps stimulate the blood flow in your head and just makes your locks grow way faster, bro. So I advise y'all to do that too. That shit hard. So alright, y'all, check it out, man. This Durk right here with the crinkled look, man. He got the Super Saiyan look. You know, he got the well, his roots black, so I'm assuming he either grew it out or he just like realized that it was damaging his roots or some shit like that, and just say, all right, I'm only gonna get the rest of the dread dyed, but not the roots. But you know, that shit hard. And once again, I'm right back at it. This nigga Durk with the crinkled look. When you take your hair out the braid out, man, it's just appealing to the eye. People like that shit. Like, it just, man, nigga, you look like Goldilocks. You feel me? Like, it's just a dope look. So I think that was it, y'all. That's Durk dreadlock transformation. By far, he got some of the hardest dreadlocks in the game, like real tough. So I hope y'all niggas, you know, taking the account about what I was saying to y'all. You know, this is Lil dreadlock transformation, so make sure y'all just stay tuned and shit like that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and also in the comments, let me know what kind of not what kind, but let me know who y'all want me to do a dreadlock transformation on next. So once again, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we gonna end it right here.